Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, today we are studying the skeletal system. The skeletal system consists of two things, a framework of bones and a few cartilages. In an adult, there are 206 bones. Bones have a very hard matrix due to calcium salts, while cartilage has a slightly pliable matrix due to chondroitin salts. The human skeletal system is mainly divided into two parts, the axial skeleton with 80 bones and the appendicular skeleton with 126 bones. The axial skeleton is distributed along the main axis of the body. It includes the skull, vertebral column, sternum, and ribs. The skull, composed of two sets of bones totaling 22 bones. Cranial bones, 8, these form the hard protective outer covering for the brain. They include two parietal, two temporal, one occipital, one frontal, one sphenoid, and one ethmoid bone. Facial bones, 14, these form the front part of the skull. They include two lacrimal, two nasal, two zygomatic, two maxillar, one mandible, two inferior nasal conchae, one vomer, and two palatine bones. Hyoid bone, a single U-shaped bone located at the base of the buccal cavity. Note that older NCERT books associated this with the skull, but newer versions do not. Ear ossicles, each middle ear contains three tiny bones, the malleus, incus, and stapes. The vertebral column is made of 26 serially arranged units called vertebrae. It is placed dorsally, at the back, and extends from the base of the skull, forming the main framework of the trunk. Each vertebra has a central hollow portion called the neural canal, through which the spinal cord passes. First vertebra, known as the atlas. It articulates with the occipital condyles of the skull. Because the human skull has two condyles, it is called a dicondylic structure. Categories of vertebrae: Tarankan cervical, 7 thoracic, 12 lumbar, 5 sacral, 1 fused, coccygeal, 1 fused. Fun fact: almost all mammals, including humans, have 7 cervical vertebrae. Sternum, a flat bone located on the ventral midline of the thorax. Ribs, there are 12 pairs, 24 bones total. Each rib is a thin flat bone connected dorsally to the vertebral column and ventrally to the sternum. Bicephalic, ribs are called bicephalic because they have two articulation surfaces on their dorsal end. There are 3 types of ribs in the human body: true ribs, 1st to 7th pair. These are attached dorsally to the thoracic vertebrae and ventrally connected to the sternum with the help of hyaline cartilage. False ribs, vertebracondylar ribs, 8th, 9th, and 10th pair, these do not connect directly to the sternum. Instead, they join the 7th rib using hyaline cartilage. Floating ribs, 11th and 12th pair, these are the last 2 pairs. They are not connected ventrally, meaning they remain floating. Together, the thoracic vertebrae, ribs, and sternum form the rib cage. Appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton includes the bones of the limbs and the girdles. Each limb is made of 30 bones. Forelimb, hand, bones, humerus, radius, ulnar, carpals, 8 wrist bones, metacarpals, 5 palm bones, and phalanges, 14 digit bones. Hind limb, leg, bones, femur, the thigh bone, which is the longest and thickest bone in the body, tibia, fibula, tarsals, 7 ankle bones, metatarsals, 5, and phalanges, 14. Patella, a cup-shaped bone that covers the knee ventrally, commonly known as the kneecap. Girdles help the upper and lower limbs articulate with the axial skeleton. They are divided into 2 parts: pectoral girdle, shoulder, each half consists of a clavicle, collar bone, beauty bone, and a scapula. Scapula, a large, triangular flat bone located on the dorsal part of the thorax between the 2nd and 7th ribs. It features a flat, expanded process called the acromion. Pelvic girdle, hip, consists of 2 coxal bones. Each coxal bone is formed by the fusion of 3 bones, ilium, ischium, and pubis. Acetabulum, a cavity formed at the point of fusion of these 3 bones, where the femur articulates. The 2 halves of the pelvic girdle meet ventrally to form the pubic symphysis, which contains fibrous cartilage.